Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth episode of the meaning of Hanuman Chalisa. Have fun!
कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते कभी कोविद कही सके कहाते.
Yam, the god of death, Kuber, the god of wealth, Dikpals, the gods of all of the eight directions, are coming forward to acknowledge your glory. Kavis, that is the poets, Kovids, that is the scholars who have knowledge about all the Vedas, have mortal lives. That is, their ears are limited, which are not enough to speak about your immense glory and powers.
तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीना राम मिलाय राजपद दीना.
Hanuman acted as a mediator between Ram and Sugriv, and as a result of all the meetings and acts between them, Sugriv came up to become the king of Vanarsena in Kiskinda. The world knows this as nothing less than a favor of Hanuman on Sugriv.
करो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना.
Vibhishan, the brother of Ravan, did not support Ravan but Ram in this war of principles. This might sound a little obnoxious or incorrect to some people as to how someone can betray his own brother, but this was the absolute correct path. The world knows that as a result of listening to, understanding and following the advices of Hanuman, Vibhishan took all the steps which actually and finally led him to become the king of Lanka.
युग सहस्त्र योजन पर भानु लीलोताहि मधुर फल जानु.
This verse describes an incident in which Hanuman, as a notorious and skeptical child, mistook the sun as a sweet, sweet fruit, something that exists far, far, thousands of miles away. He dashed upon it and swallowed it. This highlights the playful and innocent nature of Hanuman.
प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माहि जलधि लांघि गए अचरज नाहि.
Us humans took so many centuries to figure out ideas of long distance travel, but no wonder Hanuman did it in one go, in complete ease. Hanuman travelled to Lanka to meet Sita for the first time with Ram's finger ring in his mouth. He crossed the complete ocean in one go.
दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते.
When we have a guide in our life, everything, right from travel to studies to a job, turns from not my cup of tea to a simple, simple cakewalk. This example was to show you that with the guidance and grace of Hanuman, every difficult task in the universe turns into an easy and attainable one.
राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे.
This verse has two meanings, a literal one and another philosophical one. Literally, Hanuman is the doorkeeper, protector or guard of Ram's court or palace. Without his permission, nobody can enter Ram's abode. And philosophically, Hanuman is the gateway through which Ram's blessings can be sought.
तब सुख लहे तुम्हारी सरना तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना.
We all have read, heard, or understood in any other form that we need someone to rely on, under whose care we can take shelter. Tulsidas here mentions that someone who takes shelter under Hanuman gets blessed with all the pleasures in the world. And when Hanuman is the protector, there's nothing to be frightened or afraid of. So, with this fourth episode, we've completed the meanings of verses 15 to 22. Hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, please like and share this video with as many people as you can, and stay tuned for the further episodes.